All right, I'm back. So, if you didn't see the short that I put up from this past weekend at Pumpkin Run, Hulk is down. Hulk is down oil pressure. I lost all oil pressure at the show, tried a few things, put a gauge on it, got nothing. So, parked it at my wife's grandparents' house just down the street from the show. So I'm going to get it now with a truck and trailer and take it home. Yeah, so here we go. So as I'm driving over, I got to thinking of a few things. The last time that this truck was on a trailer, if I remember correctly, and I'm like 99% sure of this, was 17 years ago when my parents trailered it up from Tennessee and surprised me with it for my birthday. It was a 17th birthday present. I know I've talked about this before, but I was going to buy the truck. It was sitting on some family's property in Tennessee, and I planned on buying it, but my parents surprised me with it for my birthday. So, yeah. So that is the last time I can recall that truck ever being on a trailer. Now, the other thing I was pondering is the truck is obviously lowered, and it's a long bed. So low and long and trailers are not something that go well together if you've ever tried to put cars on trailers. And this is not like a low deck trailer or anything. So this might get interesting. We'll see. There he is, all broken. Well, sorry for the wind noise if there's any, but here goes nothing trying to get this big old beast on this trailer. Now, I think I'm going to air it down and then strap it down, because not that it will, but in the event that like I strap it down with it up and it loses air pressure and drops any little bit, then my straps go loose. But if it's sitting on the trailer and it can't bounce, then the straps can't come loose. Well, it can come loose, but it's not going to come loose because the suspension's settled. So, time to get the strap down. Tailgate sticks just a skosh. All right. All right. That wasn't bad. Off we go. Probably like 20 minutes. All right, back to the house. All right, so got home, got it kind of positioned in a way with the dip of the driveway here that I think I might be in pretty good shape. My only concern is ripping this front bumper loose because that's what was dragging when I got it on the trailer. Maverick's helping. So let's try and get this thing off here. Okay, so now that the truck's home, you might be asking yourself, Caleb, what are you gonna do with it now? That motor's probably junk, or at least needs a rebuild. And you're right. So some of you guys have already guessed it, but my plan, right there. That's the 4.6 dual overhead cam that used to be in the truck. So this 4.6 has been hibernating in the garage for the last couple of years. I pulled it out when I did the swap. With full intentions of putting it back in, just haven't got to it yet. Part of the reason for that is it's not a direct swap. Yes, the engine will bolt right into place, but this is obviously a dual overhead cam, so there's differences. But the bigger issue is this is a Mark 8 engine from like a 1993 Mark 8, whereas I have a 2011 in the truck. So this is OBD1, the truck's OBD2. This is drive-by cable. The truck's drive-by-wire. This had coil packs mounted here with plug wires. The truck has individual coil packs. So with that said, I have to go to the yard, junkyard, and get some parts. I need to get new valve covers, coil packs. I need to figure out a throttle body, possibly an alternator. The other thing that I have to change is the headers. This has got, log manifolds on it. I've got long tubes on the truck, but those are different port design, being that it's a single head cam and it's different, obviously altogether. So there's things I need to change and get for this engine to be able to put it in the truck. So that's what I got to do before this goes in. So I'm gonna have to make a junkyard run and get all the components, but I'm happy to get this engine back in because I love the way this thing looks. I love these big valve covers. I love the color of them. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to change to the newer like Intech style valve covers, but I'll probably still paint them the same color or maybe a different color, but I'm looking forward to having a dual overhead cam back in it. So that's the plan with the truck. Just a quick and dirty update. And like I said, just got to start tearing into this thing and get this engine out, get the other engine prepped. I might try to clean up some of the engine bay, try to delete some wiring that's not needed, maybe relocate the fuse box and just make it a little bit better. Just there's a couple other things I can finish up in there because I'm gonna have the front clip off so I can finish up some things that haven't got finished yet. So guys, that's just a quick little update for you. Drop any questions or comments down below, and the Hawk will live again with a new heart. So thanks for watching.